KFC is a fast food chain specializing in fried chicken founded by Harlan Sanders. Minimalist design is defined by a few key fundamentals: repetition, simplicity, and white space. He patented his original recipe of 11 herbs and spices in 1940. Today, KFC is a subsidiary of Yum! 22,000 restaurants worldwide. Brands with over. KFC is known for its signature fried chicken cooked in a pressure fryer. KFC also offers mashed potatoes, coleslaw, and biscuits. KFC's history began with Sanders' delicious fried chicken and has since become a global fast food chain.